This is just for your guys' notice that everything is just damn open and people are just moving in public, and then you expect the doctors to bloody run day and night and work. See, everything is open. When restrictions were put up that if not required, please don't move out, and the entire bloody market is open, people are just like it's casual, and then y'all are crying for no beds and all this. What the hell is this? Like, no, y'all are going to be running in the public with all the shops open and everybody is doing their own business, and these same people are saying lockdown is important. Now lockdown is important, and bloody take yourself and sit in the house. Why are you guys coming outside? Only because government will say lockdown. If you want to make it a lockdown, you should yourself sit inside the house and lock yourself down, no? And when, see, the entire parking is full, people are moving around, transport is on, the life is normal, and when it is getting so serious, people are unwantedly moving outside in the public, and then you'll expect the doctors over there, 100 doctors can take care of 300 patients maybe, they have put a load of almost 1,000 patients, and you'll expect the hospital and the government and everybody to do when... Look at this, the parking is full everywhere, the market is running normally, restrictions have been put, the cases are increasing drastically, and like fools all these people who are moving around in public, you'll expect everything to be normal. Sorry boss, I hope the health department and the doctors start giving up. This is the situation. I think the doctors should stop working on the people, let people start dying, and this is how it should be, and this is how the people should be treated. That is when people come to life. This is not the way you behave. You'll expect the people like the officers, police officers and the doctors to work, and you'll expect everybody to just move around and doctors to do their job. People are losing lives over there. There are no ventilators. Everybody is so irresponsible. And you'll expect everybody to put, sorry, I am also very much unhappy. I do not think I'm going to support anymore. My money does not come for free over here for bloody people roaming over here in the market. Just that they said lockdown is not going to continue, but there are restrictions, and you'll expect us people like me and all to come forward and help you all. Sorry boss, from today, please, I will not be able to. I just went to the market to buy all the equipments of my ambulance, to replace all the old parts and put everything new, spending money on it so that there is free services available, and people are flocking like cats and dogs bloody in the market. What do you all think of yourself, man? And doctors are suffering over here. There are no beds. People are calling from abroad who are really concerned about their families. They're not moving out. And the rich, if I get to know any of this rich person who is trying to play fool, I have not got names as yet. Hospitals are not ready to give the names. If I get, no, boss, your equipment of your body, no, is going to be in my hands, and when I squeeze it and turn it into some omelette, no, that time you will come to know. I don't give a damn about any big politician or any businessman. Just because I've kept myself low-key, seriously, don't fool with me. I can go up to any extent just because I don't try to show, because I still fear my father. In spite of he not being there, I still fear him not to show off. And y'all are just moving. The market is normally functional. All the shops are open. And you'll expect the district hospital to have beds. Sorry boss. People living over here, don't call for beds. And I hope the doctors also don't help y'all. I don't think so. Anybody is responsible over here. Now you cannot blame anyone. The people themselves are responsible for all this nuisance happening. And sorry, don't blame anybody henceforth. Y'all are not there. Maximum people not wearing mask also. They are not taking care of the social distancing also, and y'all expect the doctors, and y'all are going to assault the doctors over there for not having beds. Sorry, suffering is what is written for the people, and I pray that y'all go through all this. Seriously, and God is watching. If y'all think it is a joke, a lot of my friends from morning 4 o'clock and all, I receive messages crying that people are suffering and y'all are in the market over here. Y'all think this is something funny going on over here? This is literally bad. I was in the market for some time. Every damn shop is open and everybody just normal life is going on in there. People are still taking it so easy, you know, just wait and watch what is going to come. And I am seriously not interested anymore to help We are bloody putting my children away. I have put out, not staying with them over here. For more than a year, I have not been staying with my children so that I can go out, help people and come home and be safe, not going out, meeting friends, nobody. We are trying to curb our normal life. You think I cannot enjoy, I can have the best of time. Nobody is going to stop me also. But we are sitting in the house, trying to go sanitize, wearing PPE kits. All the time there is sanitizer cans ready in my car. Here, look at this. The entire shopping for the entire Maruti vehicle, the ambulance, every part I have bought new, each and every part, so that there should not be any breakdown for the ambulance and there should be free services for the poor. But everybody is just flocking in the market. Sorry, disgusting guys, disgusting. If you all want a lockdown, then bloody stay in the house and have a lockdown. This is not the way that every shop is open and you all are expecting a lockdown. When there are strict restrictions put out, okay, the CM may be not having the channel to put out the proper message, or he cannot explain it right, or whatever it is. But you all are sensible enough who comment on Facebook and all. You all should be sitting in the house. If you all think what you all are saying is right, you all should do it practically. Don't expect somebody to give orders to do it. Sorry guys, very sad state in Goa, and people are irresponsible and not at all worried about this. Only thing when they have family member or somebody, Are, Masha choy mare baba, Masha please re baba, Barna mare, Masha yo mare. For what? When you are roaming like this and you all expect us to run and put our lives at risk and doctor's life at risk. Sorry guys, very bad state. I am seriously not going to take any more interest. If I feel literally there's any poor family, then only I am going to reach out. Otherwise, I am seriously, after seeing today's situation, I literally cannot. I cannot digest the fact that people are taking it still so lightly when so many lives every day are going off. Very sad guys, and very sorry, we are getting into a very bad disaster.